Hey everyone, my name's Tim Sawyer. I'm the Director of Product and Solutions Training at Alibi Security. I've got some exciting news about our upcoming training programs.
If you're looking for technician level training with hands-on labs and real-world scenarios, then you need to check out all of our trainings we're having throughout the country this year. This course is 4 days long of hands-on labs with real-world scenarios, so that your technicians are ready to go out and install on day one. With topics like IP networking for video surveillance, vigilant products, Alibi P2P remote customer management so you can reduce or eliminate truck rolls, and camera management software so you can confidently put your customers in the high-tech driver's seat of their system.
I was not aware of all the little ins and outs that the software within the product's capable of doing, and I highly recommend it so that you come here. More knowledge is power.
I was surprised about the things that I did not know, and they were simple things that I thought I knew, but I was corrected on them, and it's always good to learn. Also, the team here at Alibi has been great to work with.
Whether you are an entry-level or experienced technician, this course is designed to make sure you feel confident in delivering the highest performance to your customer.
For more information and locations, please visit our website, and I hope to see you in our next training.